So Arshi, you can start now. So sir will join in between.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone, once again. As we reach the culmination of this enlightening and intellectual stimulating journey, it is my honor to welcome you all to the valedictory session of the ATAL Faculty
Hello.
Development Program. Yes, sir, you're saying something? Okay,
Sir
just
has
carry on.
joined. Actually, he has
सर ज्वाइन
muted.
आई
Hmm.
थिंक सर ज्वाइन कर लिए आई थिंक अनुराग सर आई थिंक सो
Okay,
Okay.
I can
जी जी
start once again.
जरा सर्च करना वो सर्च डायरेक्टर सर by which email ID he has joined. He is muted. Ah, okay, I got it.
सर इज देयर आई थिंक आई एम जस्ट सीइंग दैट
सर अब आप बोल सकते हैं एक बार आप बोलिए.
Now I think it's fine.
हाँ
You are getting my voice,
यस
Karan?
सर यू आर ऑडिबल सर यू आर
Yes,
Uh,
sir, you're
Audible, sir.
audible.
ऑडिबल सर
So Arshi, start now.
Yes, okay, start. Good evening, everyone. As we reach the culmination of this enlightening and intellectual stimulating journey, it is my honor to welcome you all to the valedictory session of the ATAL Faculty Development Program on Generative AI Techniques, Tools, and Applications. Over the past days, this FDP has served as a platform for in depth discussion, knowledge sharing, and practical insights into the rapidly evolving field of generative AI. The session have provided an opportunity for participants to engage with eminent experts, explore innovative methodologies, and gain hands-on experience in cutting-edge AI applications. To commence this session, I take the privilege of inviting Dr. Anurag Singh, coordinator of this FDP, to present an overview of the program, its key highlights, and the valuable learnings gained over the past days. Now, I would like to call Dr. Anurag. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. So respected our honorable director, sir, NIT Delhi, our coordinator, dear participants, and our volunteers. So a very good evening to all of you. So as we come to the conclusion of this faculty development program on generative AI techniques, tools, and applications organized by the Computer Science Department at NIT Delhi. So it is my great pleasure to read out the report what we have learned during this 6 days of FDP program. So I will just start the summary what we have done during these 6 days. So the objective of our FDP was clearly mentioned. We want to provide a strong foundation in generative AI and its various applications. And we want to introduce the advanced AI models such as GANs, VAE diffusion models, transformers, and its various applications in the industries to our participant. And we want to explore practical applications of generative AI across domain, including healthcare, finance, marketing, and cybersecurity. And we discuss the adversarial training also. So how we started our program. So first day in the session 1 was dedicated to the human-centered deepfake detection, which was taken by Dr. Abhinav Dhal from Monash University, Australia. Dr. Dhal explained the challenges associated with deepfake detection and introduced human-centered detection approaches which combine AI-based identification techniques with behavioral and physiological issues to improve accuracy. He highlighted the ethical concerns of deepfake manipulation, emphasizing a rapid advancement in AI-generated fake media and their implications. In the session 2, on the first day, the second talk was given by Dr. Tanmay Chakravarti from IIT Delhi on the topic Don't Underestimate the Power of Small Language Models. So the session began with an overview of language models, comparing large AI models to smaller, more efficient alternatives. Dr. Chakravarti discussed the challenges faced by large AI models, particularly high computational cost and data privacy concerns, which have prompted researchers to explore smaller, more adaptable models. On the day two, first session was given by Dr. Bapi Chatterjee from IIIT Delhi on the topic training the generative modeling. Dr. Chatterjee provided an in-depth exploration of techniques for training generative adversarial networks and variational and autoencoders, two of the most widely used generative AI models. He discussed the mathematical foundations and structural differences between these models, and he also talked about the federated learning. In the session 2 on day 2, is taken by Professor R.K. Agarwal from JNU Delhi on the topic Vision Transformers model and its applications. This session was the session provided a comprehensive understanding of vision transformers, which have revolutionized image processing and computer vision tasks. Dr. Agarwal explained the fundamental architecture of vision transformers, highlighting how self-attention mechanisms replace convolution layers to capture long-range dependencies in images. On day 3, first talk was taken by Dr. Kamlesh Tiwari from BITS Plani on adversarial training for generative models. Dr. Tiwari delivered an insightful lecture on adversarial training for generative models. He introduced participants to adversarial attacks, explaining how malicious AI models can manipulate generative systems by feeding deceptive inputs to mislead or degrade their performance. He provided an in-depth discussion on different types of adversarial attacks, including white box, black box, and gray box attacks. In the second talk, the title was Nut and Bolts of Transformer, which was taken by Dr. Namita Mittal from NIT Jaipur. Dr. Namita Mittal presented her lecture on transformer in generative AI. She began by overview of transformer architectures, explaining how self-attention mechanism and parallel processing have revolutionized AI model design. Dr. Mittal highlighted the evolution of transformer from traditional deep learning models, emphasizing their ability to capture long-range dependence. On day 4, first talk was taken by Dr. Dushyant Singh from MNIT Allahabad. The topic was towards generative modeling. So the session started by explaining the fundamentals of generative modeling, providing a detailed overview of probabilistic models, autoencoders, and generative architectures such as GAN and variational autoencoders and diffusion models. He emphasized the mathematical principles behind these models, discussing how they learn to generate new data samples by capturing complex patterns and distribution from training data. In the second session, which is taken by co-founder of Bamboo Box, Mr. Divyesh Dikshit, in our FDP, there was the nice combination of the people from academia and the industry. So people are able to see the actual applications which are developed under the industries. So Divyesh Dikshit has talked about generative AI applications in marketing. So Mr. Dikshit focused on how AI-driven generation models are revolutionizing the digital marketing landscape, enabling business to create highly personalized and dynamic content at scale. He explained how generative AI is being used to generate advertisement, automate content creation, and enhance customer engagement through AI-powered chatbots and recommendation systems. He has also discussed some real-world case studies also where companies have successfully leveraged generative AI to optimize marketing strategies, analyze customer behavior, and drive targeted and campaigns. On the day 5, first lecture were taken by the director of Accenture AI products from Accenture company, Dr. Krishna Kumaru. The topic was building generative AI-based system. So Dr. Krishna began with discussing the key components involved in designing AI-driven generative systems, emphasizing the architecture, data pipelines, and computational requirements essential for their development. He elaborated on the model selection strategies, comparing different generative architectures such as GAN, VAE, diffusion models, and transformer-based models. In the second session, which is taken by the Mr. Debayan Chakravarti from AI R&D team Accenture on the topic LLM agents, types, applications, and future scope. Mr. Chakravarti introduced the participant to the evolution of LLM, explaining their underlying architecture, capabilities, and limitations. On day 5, first session was taken by Mr. Day 6. First session taken by the Mr. Dheeraj Madan. He is research scientist in IBM India on the diffusion models. So Mr. Madan introduced participant to the mathematical foundation and working principle of diffusion-based AI model, which have gained prominence in image and text synthesis applications. He explained how diffusion models generate high-quality data by progressively refining random noise over multiple iterations. On the day 6, second session was taken by Dr. Mohit Jain. He was the principal researcher in the Microsoft Research Lab, Bangalore. The topic was generative AI in healthcare. So Dr. Jain provided an overview of how AI-powered generative models are revolutionizing the healthcare industry, focusing on medical diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized treatment plans. He explained how deep learning-based AI models can analyze vast amounts of patients' data to identify patterns, detect diseases at early stages, and assist doctors in clinical decision making. And the last session was taken by Dr. Abhay Gupta. He is executive director in Efficient World from Canada. And he talked about the detail, he talked about in the detail about the building generative AI based system. That was the lecture which we have conducted recently. And after that, we have conducted online test and participants fill the feedback form. So by this, we are concluding this our FDP. So on the closing remark, I extend my sincere appreciation once again to everyone who has been a part of this wonderful learning experience. May we all continue to grow, inspire, and contribute to the advancement of education and research. With this, I formally declare with this, we actually want to thank you all, especially our speakers who have agreed to deliver such a nice talks, to our participants. Those have shown huge enthusiasm, and they appeared in very large numbers. Total registered participants were 650, but average 400 participants were able to attend this course. And I also thank you all the volunteers who have supported in this program. And thank you for all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Anurag, for providing a comprehensive overview of this FDP and highlighting the key takeaways for our participants. It's now my privilege to invite Professor Dr. Ajay K. Sharma, Director of NIT Delhi, to share his valuable insights and perspectives with us on this occasion. Professor Ajay K. Sharma has been a guiding force in academia, research, and leadership, shaping the future of technological advancement. With his vast experience spanning nearly 4 decades and his remarkable contribution to electronics, communication, and computer science engineering, his vision continues to inspire researchers and academicians worldwide. Now, I would like to call Professor Dr. Ajay K. Sharma to share his insightful with us. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So, good evening to all of you. So, it's my proud privilege to be here, especially on the validity function of this ATAL FDP. At the outset, I would like to congratulate especially Dr. Anurag Singh and Dr. Karan Varma for organizing this FDP, ATAL FDP. And it is a 6 days FDP, especially on generative AI, techniques, tools, and applications. As Dr. Anurag has mentioned, the various experts from IITs, JNU, or the other central funded institutes, including IITs, so they have given their talk on the different topics. As I have seen from the talk of Dr. Anurag Singh, that the different areas have been covered because today the AI is at the top list and everybody is using AI, whether it is the healthcare applications, whether it is a building, or whether it is some other applications. So everywhere, whether it is a car, so everywhere we are using AI. So there are various advantages of AI as well as there are few disadvantages. So we have to learn all those things, the advantages for the benefits beneficial to the society, and those are not beneficial to the society. This has to be taken care. So I think during these 6 days, all the participants they have been benefited by the talks given by the various experts, and I am able to learn that more than 600 participants they have participated in this FDP. And on behalf of myself and on behalf of NIT Delhi family, I would like to congratulate Dr. Anurag and Dr. Karan for giving this platform to all the participants. And I hope that all the participants they will learn many things or the many AI tools, so they will be able to implement all those tools, whether you are going to do the PhD or whether you are doing masters or whether you are doing UG program. So this will be beneficial to all the faculty members as well as all the students. So with these words, again, congratulations to Dr. Anurag and Karan. Thank you. Thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you so much, sir. We we are truly honored to have you with us today, and we extend our heartfelt gratitude for your enlightening words and invaluable guidance. As we approach the closing of this FDP, now I invite Dr. Karan Varma, co-coordinator of this FDP, to deliver his concluding remarks, extending gratitude to all those who contribute to the success of this program.
Good morning, everyone. As we come to be conclude from this rising 6 day ATAL online FDP development program for genetic AI, techniques, tools, and application, it is my honor and privilege to extend to warm vote of thanks to behalf of the organizing team. First and the foremost, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to all the participation who join us from the across the country. From your truly engagement have truly made this FDP for variable and the meaningful learning experience. I special thanks to our speakers to deliver enlightening and knowledge rich sessions. Your experience and deeply understanding about the genetic AI, LNM, and AI drive innovation have to provide with us invaluable learning and inspirable. I extremely my heart to our Honorable Director, Professor Ajay K. Sharma, whose vision and leadership has to instead successfully insight from this program. I big thanks to our hard-working FDP coordinator, Dr. Anurag Singh, for facilitating for seamless coordinations between the participations and the speakers, as well as ensuring smooth overall management. And I big thanks to our volunteer PhD students Sivang, Ankur, Arsi, Pinky, our master student Parvez, Ashish, and our BTech student Sanjana for your unwarming support and management various aspects of the FDP. Our commitment and the teamwork have played the crucial roles to making this event seamless and efficient. Last but not least, my heart thankful to Mr. Vikas to outstanding technical support. Your effects ensure the smooth online experience to resolve technical challenges and maintain seamless connectivity have been individual. Finally, I would like to gratitude to everyone who contribute in the big and small way to make this FDP as a grand success. Your collaboration effect have truly made to memorable and impactful learning journey to for all. With this, I again thankful of to all. I hope this FDP has to be variable experience for each for you. Wishing you all the best in the future employment in general AI and beyond. Thank you very much. Over to
Okay, so
Thank you,
before
Dr. Karan
before
Varma.
before ending, can we can take if some of the participant want to share something here, then we can take 2 3 calls here. So please
I
unmute
think
yourself and tell DC.
in the last, I think so we can take one group picture also online if possible.
Hello,
So
sir. Good
please,
evening, sir.
yes, yes, please.
Yes.
This is Dr. Bharanidharan from the New College, Chennai. I'm very extremely grateful to the IIT Delhi director and for the Anurag Singh sir, Karan Varma sir, and for the volunteers to make us to attend this ATAL FDP program on generative AI. The session was both insightful and enriching. Based on the content and structure, starting from AI and from the basics, moving to the more advanced topics, it was very helpful on knowing the neural networks, GAN, everything. And regarding the speakers and expertization, the speakers were highly knowledgeable and provided valuable insights into the current trends and challenges in the field of AI. Their practical examples and case studies are very helpful in connecting theoretical knowledge with the practical applications. Then regarding the that is overall experiences on generative AI, it was very enriching and insightful experience. Now I am very much confident in applying generative techniques in research as well as in my teaching, sir. I look forward to attending future FDPs and expanding my knowledge further, sir. And regarding the technical support, it was very patiently. Anurag Singh sir handled everything today. It was a fantastic one, and it was very seamless. The online platform was also very user friendly, and the materials given was very helpful, sir. Thanks a lot for the opportunity. Have a great time, sir. Thank you.
So
Thank you. Thank you.
Mr. Divakar, do you want to say something?
Hello, sir. Divakar
Yeah,
from Global Academy of Technology, Bangalore.
yeah.
The FDP was extremely informative and engaging. I appreciated the opportunity to learn from experienced faculty members and the industry experts. And the program was very well organized and the sessions were relevant to my teaching and the research interests. And I gained valuable insights. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity.
Anyone who wanted to comment anything, because your suggestion will encourage us for organizing such programs.
Pranam sir,
Yeah.
A. Suryan from Kiga College, Tamil Nadu, sir. This FDP on AI, the techniques, tools, and applications gives a very clear insights into various topics, starting from human-centered deepfakes and the topics on training for generative modeling, topics on small language models and large language models, and also how the GI works in healthcare, giving strong foundations on GI, sir. I want to thank the entire organizing team of NIT Delhi for your excellent planning and execution of this program with great superstars in the scientific AI world, sir, from India and also from abroad. And a special thanks to the coordinators for your patient reply for all the queries which were made from the participants. I feel proud to be a participant in this NIT Delhi, sir. Actually, I had attended several FDPs, but this is the only FDP having more than 400 participants. This is the trust which we are having on NIT Delhi. Actually, it is also a responsibility for you, NIT Delhi, to prepare a platform for India, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, I'm audible, sir.
Anurag sir,
Yeah.
Anurag sir, here is Dr. Anand Kumar Chaudhary.
Yeah.
Sir, first of all, thank you so much. The way you handle the last moment situations, lots of queries and the issues
Actually,
which we
we are
have.
not experienced to handle this thing with this number. So we are
Yeah,
getting more
that
experience.
was the challenge for you. First of all, sir, I have attended lots of FDP, ATAL FDP from Warangal, Jamshedpur, Atal Bihari Vajpayee Indian Institute of. But the sizability, I am talking about the basically reaching and enriching side of this FDP was outstanding. Excellent, sir.
Thank you.
I have
Thank you.
attended not more than 250 participant was there, but this cross all limit. So this is the something like you can say the success of this FDP, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
Hello,
We
you.
are
sir.
successful
I'm
Thank
because
you.
of you
Dr.
only.
Thank
Sir,
you.
I'm Dr. So I'm audible, sir. I'm Dr. Abdul Rashid from New
Yes.
College, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, sir. Sir, I'm first time attend the ATAL seminar, sir. Previously, I'm first time with a good experience, sir. Special thanks to the organizer team for the dedication and the effort in the bringing to the expert speakers, insightful sessions and interactive discussions, sir. The seminar not only enriched our understanding of AI, but also inspired many to explore it was potential, sir. Your commitment and knowledge sharing and forecast innovation truly commendable, sir. We are expecting more seminar from in your organization. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Sure. We will do more.
And Rob sir, can you take one picture for everyone, if possible, now? Because it's already
So is it
7:51.
possible you can on your camera so we can take a group picture? So whatever possible. Actually, we can scroll the page and can take
Yes, yes, yeah.
picture one by one.
One picture will director sir, with the director sir. If you can you
You can on your camera. So
camera.
participants take this organizing team, our volunteers, Shivank, Ankur or Arshi, you are there. So all of you take the screenshots and click the right arrow. So you will get all the pages with the participants. So take every page and take the picture.
एक बार डायरेक्टर सर आ जाए तो डायरेक्टर सर can you start your webcam? So we'll take the yes sir. Thank you very much sir. Thank you. Shivang, can you take the picture from first page?
So 2, 3 students take the screenshot and at the bottom there is a arrow. So there are 7 pages. So all the 7 pages take the screenshot.
Okay, sir.
Thank you sir. Thank you very much.
So you scroll all the pages and take the screenshot. We want to thank to all the participants. So please encourage us so that we can organize such good FDPs for you.
Thank you for everyone.
Is it
We
done?
are announced we are planning for one Gyan course also with the Anurag sir also be there. So soon we can the information we circulate for everyone.
Arshi has been taken.
Yeah.
Shivank, it is taken. All 7 pages.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So now you can conclude, Arshi.
With this, we formally conclude the ATAL FDP on generative AI techniques, tools, and application. Let us continue our pursuit of knowledge, innovation, and academic excellence as we apply the learnings from this FDP in our respective domains. We look forward to future collaboration and scholarly engagements, wishing you all success in your research and professional endeavors. Thank you and have a wonderful evening. Look forward. Thank you very much, all of you.
Okay. Bye. Good night.
Good night.